Dandelion. Dandelion is a perennial herb found throughout the temperate regions of North America, Europe and Asia. The dandelion grows to be several inches in height with a bright yellow flower, thin stem and jagged leaves. The root, leaves and stem all contain a milky fluid. More than one theory exists of the origin of the dandelion's name. The most generally accepted theory is that the shape of the leaves inspired the French phrase dent de lion, meaning lion's tooth. This phrase eventually evolved into the word dandelion. The root has been used in traditional medicine worldwide as a treatment for a variety of liver and gallbladder ailments. The detoxifying effect of dandelion root aids in the removal of waste from the body. Common uses of the root include treating illnesses believed to be caused by a sluggish or congestive liver, including constipation, headaches, fatigue, and various skin problems. Where to buy dandelion? Dandelion tea bags are widely available in grocery and health stores. Store-bought dandelion tea may be a little pricey though. If you're looking for an inexpensive alternative, you can make your own homemade dandelion tea using dandelion's green and roots that come from safe and organic sources. How to take? You can drink dandelion root tea as it is or mix it with other herbal preparations to enhance its nutritional value. You can drink up to 3 cups of dandelion tea per day. Dandelion weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 6 dandelion leaves, water, a slice of lemon or orange, raw honey to sweeten if you like. How to prepare? Collect around 6 pieces of young and tender dandelion leaves. Wash them thoughtfully under running water, then pat them dry with a paper towel. Cut the leaves into small pieces, then put them in a cup. Pour boiling water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Benefits: Dandelion tea has long been used to help soothe digestive ailments, such as poor appetite, constipation, upset stomach, and indigestion. Its diuretic properties also make it useful for reducing water weight and flushing out toxins, salt, and excess water from the kidney. Plus, it helps detoxify the liver by increasing the flow of bile. Studies have also shown that dandelion tea may help in fighting certain types of cancer by killing the cancer cells without affecting the non-cancerous ones. It may also help to regulate blood sugar levels, relieve inflammation, improve heart health, and maintain normal blood pressure levels. Precaution: Dandelion leaf or root tea is considered generally safe to consume. However, it may cause allergic reactions like itching, rashes, and a runny nose in people who are allergic to ragweed and other related plants, including chamomile, chrysanthemums, and marigold. If you're taking medications or supplements, make sure that you consult your doctor before drinking dandelion tea, as it may interact with several drugs. This herbal drink is also not recommended for people with kidney problems and gallbladder disorders.